All right, and then preview our post again, as you can see. And what we do after then is just click post. Your update is being reviewed. If it isn't approved, you'll receive an email, and you typically do. Now, I will tell you, one of the things you want to avoid when you are posting is putting your phone number in the captions or putting your links in the captions. If you noticed, over here it lists, please visit www.BizCrown Media for your services or your phone number. Well, if you do that, Google typically deletes it. Why? Because I think they have created call to action buttons already for you. So again, if you had an update here, you can't put your phone number or your your web name, can't put it there because you have call to action buttons here for that. And when I've done that in the past, and others have done that in the past, what you typically get is the post deleted and a message from Google. Now, let's talk about